Boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a song here from STANY, Rema, and Offset called Only You. So, great song, great vibes here. And we will learn two chords here for the song. It goes back and forth with the two chords and this strumming pattern that goes round and round through the entire song. So let's start with the capo here set on the first fret. And that way we have the two easiest chords possible for this one. And yeah, we'll start with the F major 7. We have also certain notes to emphasize, and that is also a reason for the capo here set on the first fret. That will be easier in that way. So F major 7 will be third on D string, second on G, first on B, and open E. And this open E here for the F major 7, that is the one you want to emphasize later when we're strumming. And that's the first chord. The second one will be kind of variation of the E minor 7 thing here. We'll hold this grip, and that will be open E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. And the note you want to emphasize with strumming here will be this third B string. So F major to E minor 7. So that is the chords we need for the song. Okay, so we will look at the strumming pattern now with the F major 7, since that is the first chord. So it goes like this for one round. Okay, so we'll start with down, down, up, clap, and then up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And here you want to emphasize the open E string here for the F major 7 on the first up. So down, down, up. On this up, you want to really emphasize this and hit this open E string. On the other downs there, you just play a little bit more focused on the middle strings and bass here around the D and G strings. So with that, then comes the clap. And then comes the up, down, up. And the last up here, you want to do in the same way there. You want to emphasize the open E string. So up, down, you play more on the middle strings. And then you want to hit this open E string. So that's the first half, we can say. So again. Okay. And then we'll go to the second half. You have a short break after this last up you just played, and then comes down, up, clap, up, down, up. So okay, so that will be again down, up, clap, up, down, up. And here you want to emphasize the open E string again, two places. You're gonna do it on the first up, so after a short break from the first part, you play the down and up. On that up, you're gonna go emphasize here on the E string. And then comes a clap, and then comes up, down, up. And on the last up there, you wanna do the same. You emphasize the open E string, which means you're gonna play up, down on the bass strings, middle strings or so, and then comes the open E string like that in the end. So to summarize the second part, it was down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down and then emphasize, up, clap, up, down, and up, emphasize. So that is the strumming pattern. It takes a couple of minutes to get this right, especially if you want to emphasize these notes here. I really think it gives a lot to do that. You don't have to. You can just go with the downs and ups and be on the chords, so to speak. But if you really want to get this right feeling for the song, try to hit these notes, okay? So I'm gonna take you through one round of this strumming slowly, so really hear the differences here where we are on the strings. So yeah, let's go. That is one round. Okay, so a couple of rounds with some kind of a standard tempo goes like this. So that's the F major 7. Now we'll switch to the E minor 7 chord, and you will play the exact same pattern here. The only difference here is when I really hit this 3rd fret B string with the new note as the emphasized note here in the same place as we learned for the F major 7. So one round will be the notes again. And so on. Alright, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord back and forth through the entire song, and that's it, my friends, for the song called Only You. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.